Want to know how to play Arena mode or enter Arena mode in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, simply open up your PUBG Mobile application. And once you're there, on the left side, you can see this map icon right here. So simply click on it. This is where you choose your maps. So simply hit what's unranked, that is right below ranked. So once you're there, right here beside classic mode, you can see Arena. Simply press on it, and now right here you can see various maps from Team Deathmatch, Arena Training, Santorini, and Assault as well. You can just simply select any one of them and download it if you haven't. So I'll just select any one of these right here, that is Arena Training, and then just select Start. And after that is done, you will be queued up with players, and then your match should begin after a while. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.